Hey there, made a mistake on an invoice or need to cancel a sent one? Editing or deleting an invoice in FreshBooks is simple, but it's important to follow the right steps based on its status. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to handle it. Find the invoice in your Invoices list. If it's a draft or sent but unpaid, you can simply click Edit to make changes. If it's already partially or fully paid, you cannot delete it. Instead, you should issue a credit note to refund or adjust the balance. For a fully unpaid invoice you want to void, you can delete it, which effectively cancels it. My crucial pro tip: always communicate changes to your client. If you need to edit an invoice you've already sent, let your client know you're sending a corrected version. Transparency maintains trust and avoids confusion when they see two invoices for the same period. That's how you correct course professionally while keeping your books accurate. Have you ever had to issue a credit note? What was the situation? Tell me in the comments. For more guides on clean bookkeeping, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.